Markets just closed, and fear is gripping investors hard at a score of 29 out of 100. The Dow Jones tumbled over 2% today in a broad sell-off that left no sector unscathed. Here's the final tally on the indices. The S&P 500 fell 112 points, closing at 7,316 and down 1.51% for the day. The Dow Jones got hit hardest, dropping 152 points or 2.18% to finish at 51,594. The Nasdaq slid 1.74% as tech weakness accelerated into the close. Even small caps felt the pain, with the Russell 2000 down 1.53%. The macro backdrop explains why selling dominated today's session. The Fed funds rate, holding steady at 3.63%, is keeping rates elevated longer than many hoped. This is the environment where growth stocks suffer and defensive plays should thrive. Yet today, defensive sectors got hit too, signaling real panic underneath. Let's talk the winners first, because they reveal what investors are fleeing toward. Salesforce surged 3.93%, gaining $7 and change, as enterprise software proved defensive. ExxonMobil and Chevron both climbed over 2% on energy strength. Oil and energy names are classic havens when equities tumble and inflation fears linger. Now the pain side of this market. AMD got obliterated, falling 5.48% with a $25 drop as chip stocks crumbled. Goldman Sachs crashed 5.14%, losing $53 in a finance sector purge. Intel also tanked 5.05%, down over $4 as semiconductor weakness intensified across the board. Looking at mega-cap tech, the losses are staggering. Nvidia dropped 3.47% and is now below $190. Tesla fell 2.94% despite no major news. Microsoft and Apple both retreated under 1%, but the real worry is JP Morgan down 3.36%. That's telling us something about credit concerns or banking stress. Here's where analysts stand right now. MSFT has 63 buy ratings versus 0 sells. NVDA carries 64 buy ratings with barely any dissent. AMZN and Google show overwhelming analyst bullish consensus. Yet the market is ignoring that optimism entirely, which is the definition of fear. After hours action is eerily quiet with volume dried up. Most names are holding losses or grinding slightly lower. No major reversal is building yet as of right now. The single most important thing to watch tomorrow is whether the selling continues or stabilizes at support. Watch how tech opens in the first hour because that sets the tone for everything.